Hello my friend, in today's video I'm going to be talking about some of the very important and effective way that we have to use in order to learn vocabulary. And my friend, most of my friends were asking the question that how we can learn vocabulary in a very effective way. So I'm gonna tell you a very effective thing that we have to use from now in order to learn vocabulary and in order to remember that for a long time. So hello my friend, this is Himanshu and welcome on my channel Triple H English. So I'm gonna tell you the thing that I told you, and so for that you have to stay tuned till the end of this video in order to understand all the things that I'm going to be exploring in today's video. So let's start the video. The first thing my friend that we have to keep into our mindset that we have to of course that is one of the simple thing that most of the people are doing, that most of the people are trying to figure out the meaning of that word about which we don't know. So we are trying to figure out the meaning into a dictionary. It doesn't matter whether that is online or offline. So we are trying to figure out the meaning and we are writing that down. So this is the first thing, and this is quite simple that most of the people know that, and we are using that, but it is not that much effective as it is. So of course we have to use another method, and there are so many other methods that we can use in order to remember vocabulary for a long time. And so that's why I'm gonna tell you the second point as well. The second point is that my friend, we have to start watching movie and TV serial, podcast, and there are so many other music that we can listen in order to get new vocabulary, so that we'll be able to enhance our vocabulary range. Then we'll be able to speak English. If we have much vocabulary in order to speak, then it will be very easy for all of us to speak English. So we have to have good ranges of vocabulary, then we'll be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So this is also one of the very important thing, that we have to have good vocabulary range. And so for that we have to watch so many podcasts, music, and TV serial, movies. There are a lot of options that we are having in today's era, so of course we can use even this point. So the third point is, my friend, is that we have to start writing down the meaning, and we have to start writing one page of meaning each and every single day. So if you're writing down my friend, so you don't need to make an extra effort to learn vocabulary. So it is a very easy thing. So you have to start writing meaning of one pages every single day, and you'll feel after some time that you are knowing so much vocabulary that you didn't even know before. So that's why I want you to do, and you'll find yourself one day that you didn't put any effort, you are just writing down vocabulary of one page every single day, and you will have a good ranges of vocabulary. Then it will be very easy for you to speak every single day. So you have to just write one pages of vocabulary every single day, and you don't need to make any extra effort in order to learn vocabulary. This one thing, writing down of one page of vocabulary, is going to be so much effective, and that was the thing that I used to do, and that thing made me fluent. So that's what the exact same thing even you can do in order to learn new vocabulary for the long time. And it is one of the effective point, my friend, that if you are doing like this, we'll be able to remember the meaning in this word for a long time. And this is why I'm just recommending you to follow this thing, because it is so much beneficial, because I have a faith in this particular point that I've told you right now. And the fourth thing is that, my friend, we have to use vocabulary every single day. If you are getting any opportunity to use those sort of meaning, or if you have any even a small opportunity, we have to use those things whatever we have learned. So we don't have to think about any other thing, and if you're not using, my friend, we tend to forget those words. The third and the fourth point is very important in order to learn vocabulary for a long time. So in third point I told you that we have to write one page of vocabulary, and we have to do it for a few months, then you're gonna see the result of doing this habit. And the fourth thing that I told you, we have to start using in our conversation wherever we are talking to somebody in English. So we have to start using those words into our daily conversation, and that's when we'll be able to remember that thing for a long time. And the first point that I told you is that, of course, we are using we are using this technique for a long time. It's been quite old, is that and that is that we are just writing down the mean, I mean we are looking for the meaning into a dictionary, we are writing down, and then after writing down we tend to forget if we're not using that. So that's why I'm saying to you that we have to use at any cost. If we will not use it, we will lose it. So this a small quotation from my side you need to keep into your mind, that we have to use or else you're gonna lose it. So keep this in your mind. We have to use, we have to write down the meaning of one pages of vocabulary every single day, and we have to watch new movies, podcast, and we have to listen music and serial, TV serial as well. So there are so many other options that we also can do in order to learn vocabulary for a long time. And so that's it for today, my friends. So if you wanna know more about English, so please subscribe my channel and like this video if you are finding this video helpful, and please let me know in the comment below. And if you have any sort of question related to speaking English, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll be there to answer your question. And till then, take good care of yourself.